Here's a 2015 Lexus RX 350. This RX 350 is luxury without apology. Sink into the driver's seat and experience its intense elegance. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, wireless phone connectivity, power telescoping steering column, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. New Car Test Drive remarks, "It's easy to drive and easier than most SUVs to park, with light steering and responsive brakes." Lexus, a lifestyle that leaves a lasting impression. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.